We would like to thank God for this opportunity and the concerned authorities for granting us this privilege. We are also grateful to our students, respected guests, and faculty members from different colleges for honoring us with your presence. Representing Discipleship Theological Seminary, we would like to perform a short skit on the influence of mobile phones in today's world. We hope you enjoy it. Mobile phones have become an integral part of our daily routine, and many of us cannot seem to put them down, even in places like the toilet or bathroom. They know neither the time to sleep nor the time to walk, and disobeying their parents, they are satisfied as long as they have their smartphone in their hand. Not only that, but they also neglect mirror time, and their mobile phones have become more important than their parents' pain. Even on the roadside, they are busy making reels and shooting videos, unaware of their surroundings, and sometimes they even meet with accidents. They don't care about the blind or the needy. They aren't afraid of taking risks as long as they get content to create. Sometimes this leads to accidents. Even in the event of someone's death, taking pictures is mandatory for them. As we end this skit, let's reflect on our mobile phone use. Let's find balance, live in the moment, and use technology to enrich our life, not control them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, DTA students, for the very wonderful and world-class performance. That was wonderful. Now, shall we all stand up for the closing hymn?